Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a Canva newsletter in an email, step by step. If you want to send a well-designed newsletter to your subscribers, this tutorial is for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open your Canva design and make sure your newsletter is ready. Before you send it, it's important to hyperlink all the necessary links in the design. For example, right-click on the image and select Link to add a URL. Do the same for any text that should be linked, like the newsletter's title or property names. This ensures your recipients can click the image or text and be redirected to the right page. Step 2. Once you've added all the links, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the options that appear, choose Download and select PNG to download your design as an image. After it's downloaded, save it to your computer. Step 3. Next, click the Share button again, but this time choose Create a Public Link to get the shareable link for the design. Copy this link as you'll use it later to hyperlink the image in the email. Step 4. Now open Gmail and compose a new email. Add your recipient, and in the subject line, type something like your latest newsletter. After that, click the Insert Photo option. Browse for the image you just downloaded from Canva and upload it into your email. Step 5. Once the image is inserted, you can resize it as needed. After that, highlight the image, click the link option, and paste the public view link you copied earlier. Click OK, and your image is now clickable. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Canva newsletter into an email. When your recipient opens the email, they'll see the newsletter, and if they click the image or any linked text, they'll be redirected to the appropriate pages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.